Hi, friends, welcome to Healing Souls. Welcome to year 2022. So, dear friends, as I had said before in the month of December 2021, that we are going to do many detailed readings for the year 2022. Here I come with the reading of a very elaborated spread for all of the year of 2022 with regard to your career and finances. So, if you are a career person, already pursuing any career or you want to pursue, then this could relate to your career. If you are not pursuing any careers, it could relate to your passions. However, it could be relating to the career of your partner or your siblings or your children, or else it could be the financial aspect that can relate to you. So we have only two piles today. This is pile number 1 and this is pile number 2. You may pause your video, take your time and see which pile is calling you based on the crystal over here. So this is a sunstone crystal that I have placed on pile number 1. Look at the image and the crystal. This is all chakra crystals along with clear quartz and all chakra crystals. So this is placed on pile number 2. So whichever pile is calling you, whichever crystal bracelet is calling you, you may select it for yourself. Second way of selection is that you look into the timestamps given below. Might be repeat numbers, angel numbers you can relate to, which are given in the comment box, and it's easy for you to relate to the numbers to choose. And the third way is for you to make two chits of 1 and 2, pile 1, pile 2, and then you pray to the universe and your higher self or God universe and tell them that whichever chit I am going to pick is going to be my chit for the career in 2022, and don't cheat. So just pick it up once and whichever they give, that is your chit. So pause on the video, take your time, and I am going to begin the reading with pile number 1. Okay, so hi pile 1. So for my lovely pile 1, first of all, the energy when I was pulling your cards was like, let me just remember what I was going on saying. Oh, I was saying, wow, wow, yeah, wow, yeah. Oh, deadly. So deadly. So that's like, amazing kind of a feeling. And the crystal that you've chosen is sunstone. This is the crystal of happiness and joy. So of course you're calling in the energy of happiness, joy, soulful content for all of the year 2022 in your area of career. So that is fantabulous. So let us begin your reading with your overall energy. Then we are going to move on to the messages, and then we're going to see your weekly predictions. Monthly monthly predictions. All right, fantabulous. So in your overall energy, we have got the first card of morality. So this is the energy that you're coming from, and this is morality over here talks about something very strong, not just the morals that have been fed inside of us from our parents, from our society, the belief systems. Morality in the year 2022 for you is going to mean to you what your inside you decide to be. See, everybody's belief systems are different. So this person, if you can see in the image, has been following certain belief systems which are so orthodox, might be so much imposed from the families, from the society, that this person has absolutely closed his eyes, and under this burden of the jewelry that this person is wearing, is so burdened in a way that is praying with so much of burden that I am going to follow such and such path only. So you're going to break free from this kind of morality I will talk about as the belief systems. I feel that from last few months I've been reading for a few piles who are trying to break from a certain belief system that has been there, imposed on them from the society, from their parents, and from might be their children. So this is absolute a rebellious lot of my friends who are going to manifest something in year 2022 which is their soul's desire. Okay, now let's move on to your overall energy, which is fantabulous. In the position of your overall energy for the year 2022 career, your first card is that of the 10 of cups. Could we have asked for anything else? Ten of Cups, dear friends, talks about emotional joy and absolute emotional joy, bliss. This is a situation wherein you are going to feel overwhelmed. Something of such is sort is happening in your career that your emotions are overwhelming. And over here with the 10 of cups, I do feel an involvement with the family also. So whatever you're manifesting for yourself in the year 2022 is also somewhere connected with your partner, with your children, your family. So for many of you, I feel that this could be a manifestation of a move to another city, state, or a country, because you can see this couple is facing away towards another land, and their kids are also happy involved in this situation. So I feel that there is going to be a tata bye bye to the place they are living in. They're moving to somewhere else, which a new place or a new workplace might be, or a new career which gives their soul a lot of content and happiness. Your second card for the overall energy is that of the Two of Cups. So this is brilliant. This is fantabulous. This is deadly. This is like the pile to pick for the year 2022. Two of Cups talks about harmony. So you're coming in harmony with your soul life purpose. That's what I'm going to say for pile number 1. And as well, in this year 2022, all of the people who are going to come together to work with you are going to be your soul family, soulmates. So this is very beautiful as well. For some of my friends, I feel that because of the 10 of cups and the 2 of cups and the presentation of the cups in this reading, this is more of something that is absolutely giving you a lot of soulful joy. And I feel for many of you, it is possible that you happen to meet your soulmate in your workplace. So this is, if you're unmarried or wishing to, settle down, I feel that, in a certain city, state, or a country, or a new job, or a new life purpose that you're pursuing, there is a possibility that you meet your soulmate in this line that you're pursuing. Okay, so this could be a possibility to for somebody else. This is a possibility of you coming together with your soul families. As well, what I see over here with the card of Two of Cups, this is many of you, of course, you're pursuing your soul life purpose. It could be a combination, it could be a culmination of your soul life purpose with your divine self, your higher self coming together. So this is like if you're a spiritual person, this is like coming together of your angelic realm, your universe, joining hands together, and another step of your awakening, your you reaching a level of aha moment in your career if you're a spiritual person. Another thing that I'm seeing over here, which I feel, is that some of you are going to pursue a career of healing people who have might be suffered some way with their emotions. So this could be one of your life purpose, that you're bringing those people together, healing their hearts, something of the sorts I am feeling, or giving relationship counseling, or giving counseling to children, something of the sorts can be also your life purpose. However, this is brilliant. Let's see. So there are doors going to open for you. They say opportunities are waiting for you. Fantabulous. Month of February is being highlighted. So whatever your wish fulfillment is going to happen, whatever dream you wanted to pursue, say for many years, this is a year of manifestation of that dream. And the month of February 2022 is going to bring your good news. Increase your efforts if you want to achieve your goals. So yeah, with the card of boot, definitely travel is involved over here. So if you want to increase your productivity in your work area, be it business, profession, or any service, I feel that traveling is going to really help you in that. And for many of my friends, and one of my other readings also, I felt that some of you can be opening a business of leather boots, might be, or some kind of accessories with leather, or something which is fancy, might be, or might be dealing with colder countries, something of the sorts, or moving to a colder region, something of the sorts can be there. So this is fantabulous. Let's move on to your guidance messages and let's see what is the guidance from the divine for you. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, what is this? Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. So we have a card over here which says your wish is granted. What you've asked for is coming true. Fantabulous. So this, congratulations, my pile number one. Your wish is granted in year 2022. We have another card which says wish. So make your wish come true in year 2022. Absolutely. Then we have a card of friendship over here, and with the 10 of cups and 2 of cups, definitely I do feel that your soul family is coming together over here. We see the angels coming towards this person and helping them. I feel that there are going to be such friends entering your life, who are going to be helpful in manifestation of your career also. So there is going to be a blessing for some of you. Your friends can be the middle persons who help you manifest your soul life purpose. So they say fairies and human alike need friends. Now is the time to seek out those who will support and encourage you on your journey to fulfill your desires. I do also feel that the people who are coming together as soul family, if you're working online, creating your content, the people who are coming towards you are going to be like your friends, soul families coming together. For some of you, this offer of manifestation can manifest for you with the help of your friends. What you've got to surrender, oh my god. And even if you're moving to another city, state, or a country, so there's a big surrenderance that is being asked for you for year 2022. You've been asked to become vegetarian, they say. And why? Because vegan eating is going to help you raise your vibrations. So they say a new way of eating gives you more energy, greater health, clarity, and stronger manifestation ability. So if you can do this for the year 2022, you'll see the results. Becoming vegan, vegetarian, and really helps you elevate your vibrations. So think about it. This is one of the guidance coming your way. Then they say door to personal healing and happiness. So it's a year of course, your wish is coming true. So happiness and healing, definitely. Woman holding a coin. So you could be a woman who becomes absolutely rich and luxurious in the year 2022. Else this could be a female figure entering your life who is going to bring this opportunity of upgrade into your life. Now this can be a partner also, because I see a soulmate coming in, so it can be a manifestation of a business with this woman holding a coin. So if you are manifesting a business partnership business, or she can be somebody who has an offer of upgrade for you, or it could be your own energy that you are absolutely abundant and rich during the year 2022. Children. So yeah, this card was really it was something that was the highlight of pile number one. And I feel that your career, your life purpose could have been, it is possible that your life purpose or career has something to do with children, or else whatever you're doing, manifesting in your career in year 2022, is going to have a direct repercussion for your child. So there is something big manifesting. Either you're opening some kind of a profession or a business of your own, with which you are having time to spend with your children, or else this move to another city, state, or a country could be something that is blissful for the growth of your child. So something that involves your children. And with the 10 of cups and the 2 of cups energy, definitely there is family formation over here. So that is a very brilliant energy coming towards you. Oh my god. And we have another card which says child. So yes, for this pile, I feel, you have a concern of your child on your mind. This something with regard to your career is connected with your family and your child as well. Clover card, 4-leaf clover always talks about good luck. So there are going to be opportunities of good luck manifesting. Good luck is this is a very lucky here for my pile number 1 who has chosen this, because you're coming out of this orthodox belief systems. And I tell you, it is not that somebody has to tell you what moralities you need to follow. You should be clear, look inside, deep inside of you. What do you feel is right or wrong for you, and pursue that in your life, coming from the place of genuinity, core, authenticity, what you are, what are your belief systems, not from what have been there from the society or from your parents. So break free from that, connect with your higher self and follow morality. Angel of love, oh my god, so this is very well connected to love. So I feel some of you could be guides, could be counselors for love and healing. Some of you could be healers by nature, and some of you, for others of you, I do feel that something that you're doing in your career is going to have a connection with your love life also. So manifestation of love, harmony is also in connection with your. Wow, amazing. Yeah, amazing. Oh my god, and they say a new romantic cycle begins. Oh my god. So this could be a love with your career, with your passion that you're pursuing. You have a love affair with your career, the sole purpose that you're pursuing, or else this is a romantic cycle which is beginning in your work area, I feel. Show the world the real you. Wow, this is self-confidence, your self-worth. Wow, I feel you guys must be taking some healings from my YouTube channel last year. You're very close to achieving your goals. Fantabulous, fantabulous. I feel the goals are going to be achieved in year 2022. And they say reward yourself. Oh my god. I mean, best of the best cards in pile number 1. What is this? So they say, I don't have to say anything. I just have to read the cards and you know it all. You've been giving a lot of yourself lately, and it's time for you to receive. Wow, you've done a lot of hard work in past years. Make the time to reward yourself in a meaningful way. This balance of giving and receiving is essential to keep your energies, mood, and motivation at a consistently high level. Fantabulous. So you've got to reward yourself. I feel that you can reward yourself with some nice crystal, might be sunstone, bringing a lot of joy and happiness into your life. Purchase a nice expensive crystal for yourself, or anything that reward yourself in year 2022 for all that you've done. If you believe so, anything that you want to manifest, you are like a magnet. If you believe card talks about the law of attraction, and your energy is vibrating very strong positivity. So what you're thinking, you're manifesting. So whatever you're going to believe is going to be manifested for year 2022. So it's your yes answer. So for whatever you want to manifest for self, we have another brilliant card, Moonlightning, over here, which says you can start working on your dream career part-time while keeping your other job to pay the bills. This is fantabulous. Soon your dream career will take flight and fully support you. Wow, this is a very deep message. So for some of you, you are going to be pursuing two careers together. So because they are saying you can start working on your dream career part time while keep doing your other job, keeping your bills. So do your start pursuing your dream career, your passion as well, keep doing your other jobs for your bills, and soon your dream career will take flight and fully support you. Fantabulous, fantabulous, fantabulous. Wow, yeah, I'm going to throw a chit and pick for myself pile number one or two. I just wish and pray I get this pile for me. Oh my God. Believe and trust. Believe and trust. Wow. So this is a card from Archangel Michael wherein they say anything is possible. Whatever you want to manifest is possible for you. Oh my God, there's another card of children. So it's somebody over here. Comment down below if you can relate. You have concerns about your children. Comment down below. Let's see what it is. Your children are washed over by angels. So there's a big confirmation because there are concerns on your mind. There are three cards of children coming over here. So whatever this new career that you're pursuing, whatever move, whatever you are planning to manifest for yourself, you have your children on your mind. So there is a work and home life balance that you want to create, and for that Archangel Michael is saying that don't worry as your children are being washed over by angels. Fantabulous. Okay, let's check out your life purpose. Your life purpose has something to do with justice. So you could be a lawyer, you could be a judge, or you could be in the field of social working. Might be you are fighting for justice. Might be your social workers, you fight for people, bringing them justice, or for animal kingdom also. So they say your career brings fairness and protection to others who need your help. So you are like a healer. Fantabulous. Freedom. You're free to do what you choose. So wow, amazing. So this is fantabulous. Yeah, whichever career lines, even more, one or two you can pursue together with the moon lightning card, wherein they are saying that you can pursue two careers together. Love and light, they say your purpose is to bring divine healing and love to the world. So many of you are healers, definitely, with the card of love and light. I do feel that you have very high vibrations and you bring a lot of love and light to people and animals and environment around you. Beautiful energies. Pile number one, comment down below. I want to understand as to what you're doing in year 2022. You are brilliant. Your energy is so vibrant. You're so beautiful. You're such divine souls. Comment down below. Pile number one, I want comments from you. So they say surrender to your soul's path. Fantabulous. So this is going to be the year where you're going to actually start to work on your soul life purpose. And the card over here says your life's journey has been perfectly designed for your soul's growth. Embrace every lesson and every moment. Wow, beautiful. So this is going to be an year. That's why the 10 of cups, that's why the 2 of cups, because you're pursuing something that when our soul life purpose merges with our career, then what happens? Money flows and we work like as if we're playing. So work becomes play, money starts flowing, and there's no stress, there is no anxiety, because imagine that anything that you like to do in childhood. Suppose you were a painter, you liked painting, and now you make a career out of it, you're a singer, so it comes naturally to you. Pursuing that particular talent, which is your soul life purpose as your career, is going to be your main focus in year 2022. Focus on service. Wow. So they say your soul desires only to joyfully serve and to swim in a constant stream of bliss. This stream continuously feeds you everything you need. You put your entire focus upon staying in the stream of giving and receiving in every situation and in all that you do. So beautiful. So whenever you feel nervous, you should just focus on service. So this is a very big message for you. I feel that you're already very abundant. This pile, having soulful joy means that you have abundance of finances also. So your focus should be more on service in the year 2022, as you know, you have been blessed abundantly in all areas of your life. You need to follow self discipline all through the year 2022, and communication is going to be your key. So it's possible that many of you are doing online business also with many countries, or you are in a certain profession, you want to pursue a certain profession which requires communicating, and every profession requires communication. So this is going to be a key highlight. Self love, wonderful. So of course, anybody who gives self love, that person will only pursue their soul life purpose, because there are so many people who are doing jobs there, who are doing services, businesses, professions which they absolutely don't love. They are just doing it for the heck of making money and paying their bills. But this year 2022, you are going to do self love. You are only going to pursue those career lines which are your passions. All right, so these were your guidance messages. Beautiful. Now we're going to see your energy vibrations for all the quarters of year 2022. So first quarter, that is going to comprise for January, February, March. Your card is that of the Three of Rods. Three of Rods is a fantabulous card of expansion. In a work scenario, this card is considered very, very brilliant card of progress, growth, prosperity, travel, and expansion, and of course of communications, because you can see that this man is standing on a very stable ground with these three wands beside him. He is very well supported by the people he is working around with. In his work area, he has good support system, and now he is seeking his ships to land. He is waiting for something to manifest in his life. So this is like in the month of January, February, March, there is going to be an expansion period wherein you are going to be waiting on for your main manifestations to happen. And during this wait, you are communicating with people of another city, states, or countries. You are expanding online as well. You're preparing for your next steps for your progress in year 2022. Triumph over troubles and obstacles. So this is a time frame when you're going to feel victorious, triumphant. It's a time frame of manifestations and your wishes coming true. Now in this period of January, February, March, you will already know that whatever I wanted to manifest, I have started working on it. My manifestations have reached me. Now I just have to prepare myself. So this is a lot. This card talks a lot about traveling to another city, state, or a country, or an expansion online. So this could be something that you're pursuing in the first quarter. So let's move on to your energies of the second quarter. For the second quarter, that is going to be April, May, June. You have the first card of the Justice alongside the card of the Three of Pentacles, and we have successfully overcoming problems. Fantabulous. So we did see the Justice card as your life purpose also. For many of my friends who are here, you could be a lawyer or a judge. This is a time frame when your work is going to gain a lot of appreciation. You're going to win some court case during this time frame, which is going to bring you a lot of upgrade and financial manifestations also, because you're going to successfully overcome all the problems. So this is a time frame wherein for many of my friends, if you in your work area you were fighting some court cases, you're going to have a victory. If you were fighting court cases for your businesses or professions, there is going to be a victorious situation in that regard. For many of my other friends, this card is an indication that yes, your career has something to do with law, that you can pursue if you were not clear about your life purpose. All right, you could be a Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn, or a Libra, Gemini, Aquarius person. as well a Cancer, Piscean, Scorpion person, very evident over here. So in the second quarter, from the month of April, May and June, I see a big justice coming, balance and justice coming into your work area. So this is a time frame wherein you are going to be able to create a balance of your work life and your home life, which you wanted to establish for yourself. So because of the cards of your children, your soulmates over here, so this is a time frame when you're going to see that yes, now the balance has come in my work area and my home life also. As well, this is a time frame for many of you. You are going to come in contact with a lot of people in your work area, and some of them could, one of them could be your soulmate. This is your soul family connecting with you. And during this time frame, if any of my friends who are spiritual, you're working with a team, you're going to have an upgrade, you're absolutely having angelic energies, divine realm is connecting with you during this time frame. So any problem that comes during this time frame, you're going to overcome with the help of your team members. So fantabulous energies during this time frame, and upgrade happening, I feel. Let's move on to the energies of your third quarter. And for your third quarter, that is going to begin from the month of July, August, and September. We have the first card of the Wheel of Fortune. Wow. This is a second destiny shift happening in this year 2022 for you. This is another big change. This is another, aha moment that, oh, wow, wow, the energy that I was feeling, deadly, deadly, deadly. So this is something else that is going to, you already manifested something. This is something else that is coming, which is even more bigger. So this is like, overwhelming joy. In the month of July, August and September, you're going to have another major opportunity. And then we have the card of the Two of Swords. Both of these cards coming together tells me that, you are going to, this is a period of a big, huge change and a luck, destiny shift, a financial upgrade happening for you. However, with the Two of Swords, there is this, you are a bit hesitant about this, change, because whenever the change comes, we are, we become anxious that, whether we should pursue this or not. Is it going to be right for me or not? And in this period, you have, especially during this time frame, you have a concern of love. So this is a concern about your child or your partner of your, or your love mate, which is on your mind. And might be, this change asks you to travel to another city, state, or a country. There is something involved with this change that is going to come in July, August, and September, wherein you are going to be, absolutely feeling that, I'm living a blissful life now. And you would want to be indecisive during this period. Like, you would not want to take a step ahead. Neither do you want to move forward, nor you want to move backward, because this is a huge opportunity, and they say bag something important such as a new job or a raise. So this is an opportunity which is bringing you a new job or a raise. However, with the Wheel of Fortune and the wheel, I feel that, there is distance, there is travel, water is over here. So it is possible that, this opportunity calls you for some kind of a sacrifice, might be, or might be, there are situations with your family members, might be you have to leave them, or there is a conflicting thought that is coming in your mind, or with regard to the people around you. You love them, and you have this concern whether to take this opportunity or not. All right. However, I will tell you that, with the Wheel of Fortune, this is absolute destiny shift, which is of a positive nature for you. Therefore, I will always suggest that go for it. Go for it. Come out of this non-active mode and go for it. People who love you will always be there for you. And over during this time frame, I will say, if your partner is doubting you and telling you that, you will move to another city, state, or a country, you might find another partner or something of sorts, you have your own morals. Might be, people around you are fearful of securities, but you have to, tell them about your belief systems and tell them clearly as to, where you come from, This was an intuitive message that was coming during this time frame. So in the month of July, August and September, in your third quarter, there is going to be another second big opportunity which is going to be life changing for you, which is going to bring more abundance to, you started the year 2022 with abundance and a movement, definitely, but now is your another destiny shift with your, this huge manifesting power, the energy that you were vibrating on. So this is a time frame that, for my intuitive people also, this is a time frame of a huge popularity coming on towards you. And it is possible that, your partner is, feeling insignificant or a bit insecure with this, manifesting into your life. So now let's move on to your last quarter, the energy vibrations for the months of October, November and December. We again have the card of the Two of Cups, which is beautiful. Alongside, we have the card of the Five of Swords. So both of the cards are contrary, because Two of Cups talks about the love element, the soulmate element, whereas Five of Swords talks about the ego. And then we have the card of the Success. So I feel the victory and success of love over ego is going to happen during this time frame. You will anyway be able to, convince your partners, your children, your soulmates, your company people who were operating from ego, that no, I am a different person, I am a person who operates from love, and I have this huge, uh, capacity of love to give to my family, as well to manifest soulmate relationships in my work area also. So I am not going to work from ego. I am not going to listen to anybody who is operating on this win-win kind of a situation. So you're going to take your decision, and I feel that this is with regard to movement. For many of you, this could be with regard to travel. You're going to choose to move to another city, state, or a country. Else, this could be with regard to, your name, fame, and recognition that is going to come. You're going to become a star. You're going to have a victory. You're going to have a success during this time frame. And that victory, success is going to come towards you, wherein, you're going to operate from love, and all those people who were jealous of you, who were pulling you down, who were, manipulative, who had malicious eyes on you, are going to be swayed away from you forever and ever. This is you heading into year 2023 with your greatest manifestations in your career and success. So wonderful, fantabulous year 2022 could be an year, a year of lifetime manifesting in your career. Something big, huge is happening for you, and that there's a double luck happening for you. This I even felt with two wish cards. I feel that, two wishes are being granted for you during this time frame, and your child is involved, your lover, your partner is involved during this time frame. Reward yourself right away when you read this, you hear to this message. I feel two of your wishes are going to be granted, one with the start of the year and another one in the mid of the year, that is July. And for some of you, it is going to be your birthday season during that time frame. Fantabulous energies for you. Thank you very much, pile number one. And if you could relate to this reading, then share our content, like our content, comment down below, and let us know how you feel, and if you will believe this will manifest for you 10,000% in year 2022. Thank you very much, my dear friends. Thank you, pile number one. Hi, pile 2. Welcome to your reading. This is a detailed reading for year 2022 of your career, which is going to be considering the overall energy of the year 2022 for your career, inclusive of your finances, as well the guidance messages and the blessings that are going to come towards you in this area of your life, followed by your month-wise reading for all of the years. So you may bring in your cup of coffee or tea and sit along, because it's going to be long, might be 40 minutes or something. So yeah, And you've selected this beautiful crystal bracelet, which is an all chakra bracelet with clear quartz energy, which tells me that in the year 2022, you're going to align your chakras and enhance the energy of your body, your system with the clear quartz, as it is an enhancing crystal. So fantabulous, you're coming into alignment with the universal energies. Now let's begin your reading. Let's see your overall energies. So in the position of your overall energy, the first card that caught my attention, and that means the most for you in the year 2022, is the card of the karmic trench. Good news for all of my friends who have chosen pile number 2. You are going to be out of your karmic trench in year 2022. Make a note of it. This year 2022 is going to be the year of your life. So what it means by the karmic trench, here you will see, you can see in the image, there is a man who is trying to dig into this, deep into the earth, trying to sow the seeds, and goes on and on. This is a lifetime pattern for this person, and every time he is wishing for his harvest to come, something or the else happens and it does not happen. So this is the karma of your this life or past life, many past lives, or might be of your ancestors, your deceased loved ones, that you are stuck in a cycle of certain patterns, that you put your hard work, you do your efforts, but when it is time, and a few of you do even see some kind of a success reaching a certain level, but then again there is that break in that situation and you are back to the same pattern of life. In your finances or in your career area, it is likewise. So now you're breaking this karmic trench. That means that you're going to be coming out of those life patterns which were repeating again and again in your life, which again and again brought you back to the cycle of scarcity, might be in your finances, or the cycle of scarcity in your career aspect, wherein you reached a certain peak and then boom, again you were back. Then you had put in your effort, you reached a certain peak and then you were back. So these were some of the curses that were there on you, might be on your ancestral lineage also. There were these curses that you're going to heal and come out of. So the brilliant news for year 2022 is that this is the year of manifestation for you, and never from this year onwards, never are you going to see this kind of lack or scarcity, because you're going to break this pattern and be free for yourself, your ancestors, and your generations to come in future. Your children, your grandchildren are not going to suffer this kind of a pattern repeating in life. All right, now let's see your overall energies. Okay, so your overall energies, for your overall energies, they began by telling me your situation. Definitely, they wanted to highlight me on the situation that you were coming from. The first card they gave me was Three of Swords, and there is nothing to worry, because this is what you're going to leave behind in year 2022. So, Three of Swords represents a situation of heartbreak, of betrayals, of having felt a lot of loss, sadness, being cheated on, might be. And the second card is that of the Five of Pentacles. Five of Pentacles again talks about a scarcity mindset, or some kind of a lack that you're coming from. So this is my pile, which is of course stuck in this karmic trench, wherein they feel that there is a lot of lack. You might be looking up to people around you, your friends, family members, and you might be thinking that how come they are able to manifest a certain financial growth for themselves or career growth, and how come I put in so much hard work. Because your next card is that of the Seven of Pentacles, which tells me that you're very hardworking person. You persevere through, you've been going through a lot many things in life, but you don't give up. You put in a lot of hard work in whatever you're doing. So this is where you're coming from. as the start of year 2022, I feel that till the year 2021 you did feel some kind of lack. Some of you could be suffering from loss of job or finances, or might be there was a loss of a family member also for some of you who was the earning member of the family. So you're coming from a place where there is a lot of sadness and lot of um, remorsing energy, wherein you feel lack of cooperation also from people and situations around you, lack of support. So there's a lot of lack and scarcity, sadness, sorrow that you're coming from. But however, in the year 2022, the card which I'm going to take as your main energy vibration is that of the magician. So your energies are going to change in the year 2022. I am hopeful that some of you were taking healings from our YouTube channel from long, and this is the year when you're going to release all this scarcity, all this sadness that is stuck in your heart chakra, your root chakras, your fears of not moving forward in life, and you're going to become the greatest manifester of your destiny. So the power of manifestation is going to be in your hand in the year 2022. You're very strong, you're charismatic, you have it all inside of you. Law of attraction is going to work through you, and you're going to understand that you're the universe inside of yourself, and anything or everything that you want to manifest for yourself, you have it already available inside of you. Things that you're seeking for yourself are seeking you. That is going to be the biggest revelation for you in the year 2022, and you're going to manifest your greatest of desires as the angelic realm. Archangel Michael is by your side, and he is going to help you in manifestation, coming out of this scarcity, coming out of these karmic trench. Even for to in order to help you come out of these past karmic trenches, I feel your deceased loved ones in heaven as well, your ancestors are joining in here to manifest the greatest of desires for you in the year 2022. This is really strong for you, dear friends. By the time you're listening to this reading, I feel that you must be feeling this ways, that no change is going to manifest. I do feel that majority of you who have picked pile number 2 are looking for change in your life of some sorts. Might be career change, might be financial conditions to change, and this is the year when it is going to manifest for you. We have a card of the page of swords, which is depictive of the clarity coming for you on all the situations that were unclear till now. Might be your professions, your life, soul life purpose that you were not clear on as to what you need to pursue in your life. That soul life purpose is going to be clear for you in the year 2022. I do see some kind of a documentation work happening, which tells me that contracts of businesses, contracts of job offers, or you signing in your own profession, or might be online work you starting in, that is indicated with the page of swords card over here. So this is a big declaration of your win. This is a big declaration of victory, success coming towards you. And then we have the card of the two of cups, which tells me you're aligning with your soul life purpose in the year 2022, and the people who are coming towards you in order to manifest your divine life purpose are your soul families from this life or past life, bringing you out of this karmic trench. So this is fantabulous. The first 3 cards tell me the energy you're coming from, and these 3 cards are telling me the energy of year 2022. Dear friends, do not lose hope. Comment down below if you can resonate to this reading and take it in writing from me. You are going to tell me in the mid of the year 2022, yes, whatever you said has manifested in our life. 2022 is going to be the year that you're going to be marking as the year when you discovered your soul life purpose, when you were out of the trench of scarcity. Yes, so with the card of the two of cups over here, I do feel that some of you were taking the soul, the healing that we had made for connecting with your soul family, because in your career area you've happened to manifest people from your soul family coming together giving you these contracts. So this is a major shift that is going to happen in your career area in year 2022. This is brilliant, this is fantabulous, this is the year for you to make that 360-degree shift from scarcity to abundance. That is what I see for you just at the beginning of the year 2022. Yes, you need to go with the flow. That's another message. So, whatever is coming towards you, do not stress too much. Take the opportunities and go with the flow, because this is divinely guided. Whatever is coming towards you is being sent by your ancestors, deceased loved ones, and Archangel Michael. The another card of overall energy over here says ripeness, which tells me that you are ready now. As you can see on this tree, the fruits are ripened now to be consumed. So this is your stage now. Now you're in a stage to manifest exactly with the power of the magician. You're going to manifest your greatest of career desires and financial outputs that you wished for yourself. With the card of moon over here in this deck, it's beautiful because the moon is shining their light on these people who are traveling. So I do feel that you are going to come into limelight this year 2022 and shine your light on other people around you. There's going to be a big blessing coming towards you. Yes, exactly. The month of October has been given for you. I feel this is going to be your turning point. This is going to be the month when you are going to see this huge manifestation coming towards you. And they say the most difficult part of the situation is over. Exactly. New opportunities, possibilities, paths opening up for you. That is fantabulous. Stepping into a new experience. Exactly what I feel for you in the year 2022. What you're leaving behind is your unsuccessful plans. You were knotted, and these knots were because of your past life karma. You're coming out of this trench, we're keeping it aside. And this year you're going to be dealing with a fair woman. So this fair woman is going to be very significant for you, who is going to help you manifest your career or finances. See, if you're a person who is pursuing any career or passions, then this reading can be with regard to you. If you are somebody who is a housewife doing house chores, supporting the family and the children, this reading could be relating to your partner or your children, and it could relate to your financial status if you which is coming to you from other members of the family. So this fair woman could be a woman in another country who gives you an offer of upgrade. So they say dealing or relationship with a woman with blonde, gray or white hair. So blonde hair could be significant of a female from another country who is giving you this offer of upgrade, who is from your past lives. She could be your mother, your mother-in-law, who is giving you an offer of financial upgrade, something of the sorts. Or she could be a woman in position in any company who is giving you an upgrade opportunity. Or she could be a person who is your partner, who joins hand with you and pulls you up for your manifestation. So this woman is of significance for you in the year 2022. Get back to your basics, definitely. So if you're feeling disheartened, if you're feeling a lot of lack, the guidance coming for you is keep persevering through as you're very near your goals in year 2022. Don't give up. Whatever you have been working on is now going to manifest in the year 2022. And I see a lot of peace. As I'm doing this reading for you, I'm telling you the year 2022 is a year of peace and harmony for you. As I sense the energy of peace and harmony, and you yourself will start to sense this, that there is a change, there is a shift happening in your life, and therefore you are going to be peaceful in year 2022. hat, you will be playing a different role, and with the hat I feel it is an upgrade in a company, business or profession. Definitely there is an upgrade happening for you in a family perspective. If you were wishing for some kind of financial gains as an as a heredity money, I do feel that there is a different role, a role of upgrade that is coming towards you in the year 2022. That is fantabulous. And now let's move on to your guidance messages for the year 2022. Let's first see what are the overall guidance messages for you, and then we are going to proceed with your, per week, per month reading. So, a win-win outcome is forecasted. So, whatever you want to manifest for you, this is a big confirmation coming from the angelic realm. However, they're telling you to balance your spirituality with your practicality. So, if you're a spiritual person, this is a year that you've been asked to maintain practicality. You are here on the earth realm to enjoy earthly pleasures also. So, if you're hyper spiritual, you're being called to make a balance, enjoy the earthly pleasures, enjoy the life with your family and friends also. If you're hyperly practical person, only focused on the materialism, you're being asked to move a bit towards spirituality, as bringing a balance between spirituality and practicality is going to help you balance your divine feminine and divine masculine in your body, which is going to make you a magnet to manifestations. Don't let your past hold you back. Exactly, you're coming out of these lack and scarcity energies. For you, that healing of coming out of the scarcity mindset for all of the year 2022, that is really going to be helpful for you if you want to manifest abundance into your life. A blessing on growing old. This is a huge blessing, something you're going to start to manifest in the year 2022, that is going to be of a huge blessing as you grow old. So whatever business you're starting, whatever life purpose you're pursuing, is going to be a blessing for you, your children, and your parents also. And as you grow old, this whatever you're starting is going to manifest a lot of stability, security into your life. Fantabulous, you're on the right path. So what, let's check your life purposes, what they're telling you. So yeah, so artist, you could be a creative person, so that is one life purpose that is yours. So they say engaging in artistic activities is beneficial to your career and every other area of your life. So even in order to balance your chakras and open up your creativity, if you would do more of painting or any kind of creative interest, you're going to open up yourself for your manifestations. You could be an artist also, or pursuing a field of any kind of creativity. Could be a hint from the universe that you're going to grow into this. Study. So your life purpose is also related to study. So they say reading, research and education help you gain confidence, clarity about your career. So it is possible that in year 2022, if there is any career that you want to pursue for yourself, it could be of good interest for you to join some courses. As they say, reading, research and education is going to help you gain confidence about the career that you want to pursue. Then there's a huge support coming from the angelic realm. So they say your life purpose fully supports you. So whatever life purpose you want to manifest for yourself, it is possible that you feel that oh my god, this life purpose is not going to bring me so much of financial benefit. However, trust me dear friends, when our soul life purpose merges as our career, abundance starts to flow and work becomes play for us. So never think it that way, that if I'm an artist, or if I'm a creative person, I'm a poet, I'm a writer, or I'm a card reader or spiritual person, this cannot bring me abundance. Anything that gives joy to you as you pursue it can bring you abundance in many areas of your life. You're on the right path. So whatever you're doing, keep doing that. They say keep doing what you're doing because it's working for you. That's fantabulous. And this in this year there are going to be big things happening for you. Wow, amazing. We have many cards for you over here. So Archangel Michael steps in saying explore your options with regard to your career. What do you want to pursue? If you want to pursue a new career line, explore your options with regard to new jobs. or businesses, explore your options. Your desire is within reach, so I'll suggest that you sit down, meditate for a few days, and think clearly as to what you want to manifest. First thing is to understand as to what you want to manifest, what is it that gives your soul a pleasure, and that you should pursue as your career. So if you're stuck up in a job situation which makes you feel choked, come out of that. If you're stuck up in a business which is in partnership with unhealthy partners, come out of that. Pursue something that brings a lot of happiness and joy into your life. So they say, have faith as everything is working in your favor. That's beautiful. Healing, healed, healer, healing energy surround you and this situation. So if you take our healings for the manifestation of career and abundance, we have a playlist for that. That would really help you manifest your dream career in the year 2022. As well, if you want to pursue a healing career, definitely, this card is a nudge to you that you are a healer by nature, and you can pursue courses of, say, Reiki healing, pranic healing, or any form of healing, as you might be a high vibrational being who can pursue this healing career for yourself as well. And if you are looking for healings, with regard to career, there are many healings on our YouTube channel. You can take those healings overnight and refresh your energies. So it is a time frame of your career building up, definitely. So we got this beautiful card over here wherein they say new career. So they say your work focus is shifting in a positive, new and successful direction. So congratulations. This card has turned up in your reading, which tells me that year 2022 is going to be an upgrade in your career. So that is fantabulous. So where you were coming from scarcity, it is going to be shifting in a positive new direction of successful direction. What you're going to manifest this year is a new home alongside your career. So for many of you, it is possible that financial, they are telling me windfall comes onto you, and you're going to manifest a home as your financial gains and abundance. And for some of you, your career can take you to changing homes. So they say moving in is a step in a right direction for you. So it's possible that in search of a new career, you are moving to another city, state, or a country. So home manifestation is something that is going to bring you a lot of happiness and abundance. If you felt scarcity in that area, that I don't have a home of my own and I'm living in a rental or place, then I feel that many of you are going to manifest abundance in the form of a new home in the year 2020. So this is a big shift. Healing is happening, new career is happening, and new home is happening for you. That is brilliant. And when is all of this going to happen for you? So you're going to have a new beginning in the year 2022. Fantabulous. And then we have the card of completion. So I feel the completion of your past life karmas, whatever you had to pay as debt, that is going to be over in year 2022, and a new beginning is going to happen. I feel that with the completion and the new beginning card 10 over here, again the month 10, that is the month of October, is going to be very, very significant for you. Another guidance for you is financial discipline. So as you're going to manifest these opportunities into your life, you are going to be focusing on financial discipline. As to financial discipline says that creating a balance into what you're receiving and what you're giving. So some of you might be in a habit of might be your givers in nature, so you are giving open heartedly without even understanding that how much you're gaining. So there has to be a balance in this, and if you're holding too tight to your finances, then financial discipline does talk about as you manifest abundance, you should do some form of charity also. So there should be a balance in that regard. Positive physical activity, definitely movement of your body is one way how your positive energy increases. So by doing physical activity, as in the form of exercising, yoga, you're going to move these blockages from your chakra, and this shake up of the energy is going to happen from, the stagnation that is stuck in your body. Physical activity becomes important for you in the year 2022. For some of you, it also indicates you traveling to another city, state, or a country. It's going to be an active year for you, I feel. You're asking when is it going to manifest? Definitely, they say within the next few months. So, I feel that this manifestation is going to start the process. You're going to see one big manifestation of financial abundance is going to happen for you right in the beginning of the year 2022. In the first quarters, January, February, I feel your new home manifesting for some of you, or a shift happening, like some of you retiring, some of you leaving your old job, something of the sorts is going to happen. And the second shift is going to happen in the months of October, I feel that. So within the next few months, this manifestation is going to start to happen in your life. What you've got to surrender in the year, you've got to surrender many things. You've been asked to surrender your addictions. So they say whether you're addicted to substances, food, people, sex, or overworking, take action to begin to heal the addiction and replace it with healthier alternatives. So, overworking also is an addiction for many of my friends, wherein they put so much hard work that they create the energy of stress in their work. So, you have to come out of that habit. Break that habit of overworking. Work when you feel joyful and pleasurable. So the energy that you're putting inside your work has to be very joyful and passionate. And if you are suffering from other addictions of any sorts, then we have a healing on our YouTube channel for addictions and codependency patterns. So you can take that healing, which will help you come out of your addictions. So you're being asked to give up on your addictions to manifest something greater for your life, because your energy vibrations increase when you give up on your addictions. Surrender defensiveness. Defensiveness is a sign of weakness. To communicate in a more empowered way, stay centered and hear someone out. Then offer a clear, non defensive response. So, you've got to give up on defensiveness also in order to manifest your career, growth, finances in the year 2022. There are many healings on our YouTube channel which will help you come out of these defensiveness. I feel inner child healing can help you in this. Surrender resentment. Yes, this is forgiveness healings. Two of the forgiveness healings are there. There are many healings on our YouTube channel. I feel that the one to manifest your career and business advancement has a lot of these inclusive. So that playlist you can play for yourself. Surrender resentments. They say holding on to resentment only poisons you. Try to forgive others for their shortcomings and keep moving forward towards positive situations in your life. I do feel that there were certain situations in your career that were hampered because of other people around you, might be because of the domination of your partner or your in-laws or your parents or your children. You gave up on certain career fields that meant a lot for you, and you're holding this resentment inside of your body. You're very unforgiving to those people. However, the situations just came into your life in order for you to go through this process, so that you evolve and understand your divine life purpose. So these people just entered into your life to shake up a certain career field for you which was not your soul life purpose. And now you've got to surrender your defensiveness, your addictions, and your resentments in order to manifest abundance into your life. So they say abundance mindset. This is very important. So if you think of your abundance as something that happens in the future, then it will always be one day away from you. See, feel, think, and speak of abundance as something you already have in the present moment. And that is what you will experience. So, this is beautiful. This is the law of attraction. When you're going to say that I am a money magnet, I am abundant, you're going to start to feel it. Connecting an emotion to what you're saying is going to help you vibrate at a higher frequency and help you manifest all these positivity towards your life. Archangel Michael is stepping in again over here, saying that obstacles and blocks are lifted now. Wow. Fantabulous year 2022, a huge year for your career and financial growth. So they say all your good personal work and your positive energy shift have overcome previous obstacles and blocks. Blocks are lifted away. You will now experience progress and forward momentum with your projects. Stay centered in gratitude to ensure that your flow of abundance continues. So, making a gratitude list, praying to the universe, thanking them for all the all the blockages that have been removed from your body, mind, and soul, your ancestors, your deceased loved ones, Archangel Michael, and giving gratitude to them, you are going to manifest abundance in year 2022 for yourself. Bountiful nature, this is beautiful. So they say spending time in nature helps shift you to a higher vibration and reminds you of God's infinite abundance. Go outside and enjoy a walk or hike with your pet. Meditate beneath a tree, garden, sit under the stars, or do some other activity to connect with limitless vastness. The more you're going to connect with the nature, the more you're going to open yourself, your energies, grounding energies, as well the energies from the universal vastness to manifest abundance into your life. Do the work. There is another guidance coming over here. So if you've been feeling these low energies and you're just sitting back from year 2020 2022, just lingering on that these are such years, and year 2022 is also like this is not the year for you to sit. Year 2022 is a year of movement for everybody, and you're not to be sitting in this year. Some of you are going to do inner work, some of you are going to do outer work. However, this is a year of growth and expansion for many of our friends and everybody, and your energies are going to awaken and rise in the year 2022. So you've got to do the work in this year. So they say it's not enough to dream or pray. You've also got to take the positive action steps that you're being divinely guided to take. So whatever guidance you're getting through this reading, also take action steps. Consistently working on your priorities will make them flourish like a lush flower garden. That is beautiful. A blessing on a friendship. So yeah, I feel that some of you are going to get an opportunity of your career expansion through the friends that you've made in this life, and others of you with the Two of Cups card, this is your soul family coming together. So this is going to be a year wherein people who are coming together in order to support you for your career are going to be soul families, your friends. So your friends are going to really help you manifest your dream career. They are going to be supportive of you. They are going to be by your side in the manifestation of this abundance. Children is another card which is popping up in your career reading, which tells me that might be your career has something to do with children. So they say your life purpose involves helping, teaching, or healing children. So for some of you, it could be a big revelation that if you're a healer, your healing work should be in connection with children. Might be a psychiatrist, might be teaching yoga or exercising to children, or might be you are a teacher to a younger generation. From children, I feel that younger generation is going to heal through you. For others of you, it is possible that you are going to pursue a career, might be working from home or something of the sort, wherein you are going to create a balance of your work life, and you're going to be able to give time to your children also. For others of you, this could be a year 2022 when your child is going to manifest something big in their career. So these were your guidance messages, which were beautiful. Now we're going to move on to your monthly reading. Let's see what are the energy vibrations for the first quarter of year 2022 for you. For the first quarter, that is going to begin from January, February, March. Let's see your energy vibrations. We have the first card of the Strength. And for the year 2022, the overall energy of the year that the divine realm tells me is that of the strength card, which is very much applicable for you. You start the year with the blessings of the divine goddesses, Sheravali Mata, Vaishno Mata, Lakshmi Mata. As well, this is the period, the month of January, you're going to build in your personal power, your inner strength. You're very courageous, and you're going to know it from inside of you that you're infinitely strong to manifest anything or everything into your life. So you're going to start to, your energy vibration is going to change from the start of the year 2022, and you're going to start to, understand that you're the manifestation man, you are the magician of your destiny, and this is the place you're going to start to operate from. So if there are any situations around you that are low vibrational, any person, place or situation, you're going to, shield and protect yourself during this time frame. And because we have a card over here which says, roaster, an arrogant boastful person you should not cross. So this is the time frame you could be coming in contact in the first quarter, could be coming in contact with people who have, pulled you down in past with regard to your career and finances. And these are the people who are going to, as challenges come in your life in the month of January, again during the Venus retrograde or the Mercury retrograde time frame. However, you are going to build in your strength, and this is the time frame you're going to know how to tackle these people in the right manner. You're not going to do people pleasing. You will know your self-worth, and you will create boundaries around you. Your second card is that of the World, which is a brilliant card telling me that, in this time frame, January, February, March, and mostly in the time frame of February, something huge, something big is going to manifest into your life. For some of you, this is an absolute change of career, a stepping up of career. Some of you are closing on a career. Your next card is that of Four of Rods. So this is like, taking retirement from a certain career field and moving on to another one. So this is a big life chapter shift. For others of you, this is a movement to another city, state, or a country. For some of you, this is a manifestation of a home. So, manifesting a home or a career that is work from home, that is a start for you. Something new is about to happen right from the start of year 2022, January, February, March. You're building up your energy, and this is a high vibrational energy that you're getting into just with the start of year 2022. You're out of the scarcity mode. And then we have other cards over here wherein they say shrewdness and resourcefulness, especially in business. So yeah, I feel that, some of you could be starting a business idea could be striking you, but you need to be very shrewd and resourceful for whatever business or your personal profession you want to manifest for yourself during this time frame. Again, we have the financial discipline card over here, and we have a purse card over here saying pay attention to your finances. So this is a time frame wherein you will be needing money to, invest in whatever new that you want to start during this time frame. Might be your home, you're building a home. So be careful as to, how much abundance is flowing into your life and how much you are flowing outside of your life. So this is a very, very, huge time frame of something manifesting into your life. And month of February is going to be very, very lucky period for you. Your 11/11 moment, one of your huge manifestations of life is going to happen during this time frame. If you ever wanted to manifest an opportunity of working from home, starting your own profession or business, definitely this is a time frame. If you wanted to move to another city, state, or a country, a residential move, that opportunity is going to come towards you during this time frame. This is very, very strong time frame for you, wherein you're going to understand that, I am out of the lack mentality, the lack situations, and there are new energies, manifesting into your life. So for many of my other friends, this is, pursuing a different career totally for yourself, might be a spiritual career. So you're coming out of the situations that were holding you back, that were toxic, the people who were dominating over you, and you're understanding your power during this time frame. So this is brilliant huge. This is the first taste that you're going to have of the year 2022, that a shift is happening, that already you're going to taste this in the starting first semester only. So now um, let's move on to the energy vibrations of your second quarter, that is the April, May, and June. We have the first card of the Seven of Swords over here. Alongside, we have the card of the Queen of Swords with the card of the King of Rods. Many cards for your second quarter, that is the months of April, May, and June. Then we have the Seven of Cups. I'll lay down the cards and let you know what the messages are. With the Two of Pentacles, a huge blessing coming from the Hierophant. This could be during, let me take these two cards as your April, May, in the month of June, and we have the Chariot. So this could be May June energy with the Hierophant and the Chariot manifesting for you. This is huge blessing coming towards you during this time frame. So your very very huge blessing, another blessing that is going to come towards you in the second quarter, is going to happen in the months of May and June. Yes. So let's begin. So your second quarter is telling me that you're very sharp. Now you have this mental clarity during this time frame. I do feel that you are creating good boundaries, you are moving away. Now you're strategizing, you've started strategizing for your career. You're moving away from those people, places, and situation that made you feel less than who you were ever in your life. You are in total command, in leadership role during this time frame, and seeking your many options with the card of the Seven of Cups. This is the time that you're going to seek so many, you're going to get so many offers. If you are in a working scenario, if you're a service person, I feel that you're going to give many interviews during this time frame, and you're going to weigh your options, which one is the best for you. There are many companies coming towards you, you're giving the interviews, you're cracking the interviews. Big blessings and big connections with these big organizations, can be government organizations, and for some of you with the Chariot card, these are companies in another countries. Chariot is a card of another city, state, or a country. Now you're becoming very strong. You've started to feel that there is no restriction for me. In order to manifest my soul life purpose, I can move to another city, state, or a country also. So in a job scenario, you're going to give many interviews during this time frame, and you're going to seek your options. You're going to weigh your options financially also, and soulfully also. You're going to weigh them, which option is going to give you a lot of satisfaction. That is one you're going to manifest for yourself. So in during the month of April, I see you giving many interviews. I see you moving away from those jobs, those careers, those professions that were, not of your profile, or not, serving you good, that were in which you felt you were being cheated. There were low vibrational people around you. Yes, so during this time frame, that fair woman pops up, because I see a Queen of Swords and the King of Swords. I feel you're going to have a communication with this fair woman during this time frame in order for you to manifest your greatest desires. If you're a creative person, you're going to make a list of all the areas of your life which are your passions, and you're going to choose a few of them that you want to pursue as your profession. You're very dynamic during this time frame. You are in your personal power, and huge blessings are coming towards you. If you were seeking options to move to another city, state, or country, for another country, I feel this is a time frame you're going to travel. This is a time frame visas are going to be approved for you, travel opportunities, or in your own companies you are going to get opportunities to move and travel to another city, state, or country. This is a time frame of huge manifestations with the Hierophant and the Chariot. This is a time frame of success, victory, name, fame, recognition coming towards towards you. If you were healers, you were spiritual people, you are going to move away from those careers which were not suiting you. You are going to start your healing, card reading, spiritual, occult career, and you're going to be like a leader. You're going to balance your chakras, upgrade, and you're going to be become a spiritual healer or a teacher. And there is huge success that you're going to see in your career during the time frame of May June. Month of May June, you're going to be recognized by people around you. And if you're doing online work, this is going to be a period of a huge multi-millionaire kind of a success that is going to come towards you during this time frame. Let's see. This is a period of good news coming towards you. I feel many of the interviews you're going to crack for yourself, many of the business opportunities or a professional line also. This is a blessing coming to you. Do not be tempted to lower your standards. Definitely in this time frame, if there are offers coming towards you, ask for what is due for you. If you're in a spiritual career also, do not be tempted to lower your standards, wherein people are stepping in and they're telling me, oh, you're a healer, you're divinely gifted and give healing to us in free and do our card readings in free. You are not supposed to lower your standard. Fix a good amount for yourself which gives you satisfaction that yes, you deserve this for your energy exchange. And if these are packages from the companies or the business people you are joining hands with, you're being guided to be like a leader. Dictate them what your true worth is. Do not lower your standards. With the flag card, again, I feel for some of you this is travel to another city, state or a country, and you are not supposed to lower your standards over here. Even if you're interacting with people in another city, state or a country, you are to stand in your dignity of your nation and demand. Do not surrender to people who are racist. Demand what you require for yourself. You will receive a gift during this time frame. Definitely big blessings from the divine realm, your ancestors, your deceased loved ones in heaven. Your higher self is going to be completely connected with you, and blessings from big organizations are going to come towards you during this time frame. Obstacles to overcome, you are going to overcome. You're going to give many interviews and overcome. You're like a leader. Anybody coming in face to face contact with you, you are head on with them that come, I am there, I'm going to speak my truth. Hand in need of help, assistance and guidance. So there are going to be people, your soul family members connecting with you who are going to help you during this time frame. And with the hand card also, during this time frame, if you're going to take healings from our YouTube channel, because I make healings via Reiki also, so might be my hand could be helpful in manifesting these situations for you. So during this time frame, if you take healings from our YouTube channel, there's a healing playlist of Empowered You. If you take that healing, you're going to manifest big things for yourself during this second quarter of year 2022. That is the months of April, May and June. That is going to be fantabulous for you. Many of you are going to be traveling during this time. Huge blessings coming for you. And strategies, plans are going to be manifesting into your into your life during this time frame. So lots of love and best wishes. Let's move on to the next quarter, that is the third quarter for you. Those are the months of July, August and September. And during this time frame, a big wish fulfillment is going to happen for you. So your first card is that of the Five of Pentacles, along with the card of the Seven of Pentacles, and then we have the card of the Ace of Cups. So this sorry, this third quarter is the time frame when you're going to be absolutely out of this lack which you ever felt in your life with regard to your finances, with regard to your support system. A huge blessing in the form of Ace of Cups, that is a divine gift from the universe that is coming towards you. For all of the years of your perseverance, you not giving up, you doing your work, You are going to get this gift. This is the end of your poverty. This is the end of your scarcity. This is the end of your lack. This is the time frame you're going to manifest your soulful joy. Yes. I am leaving these cards behind. So your greatest energy for the third quarter is Seven of Pentacles, wherein you are persevering through, you're waiting for a change, and I could be a second manifestation happening for you, a huge opportunity which you finalize for yourself as your soul life purpose during this time frame of July, August, September. I feel could be in the month of September. This opportunity comes to you, which you feel is supreme for you, is the best one for you, and you move in with this one in any area of your life. Wow, exactly. Depression, anxiety, worry that someone is against you might be in the month of July. For the things that you have started manifesting into your life in the month of June, I feel that you're still in this lack kind of a mentality, and you fear that there are other people, there are other competitors, or your family members who will not help you in the manifestation of this or big opportunity into your life. So you are a bit depressed, thinking that someone is against you. That is just the feeling of negativity. You can take the scarcity mindset healings during this time frame. However, what is coming towards you, they say boat, money or property through an inheritance, winning or windfall. So this is a time frame when this inheritance is going to come to you. You're going to be blessed by your ancestor, deceased loved ones in heaven, even your parents, grandparents might be. In order to manifest your business or your move to another city, state, or a country, you're given some kind of financial help during this time frame. For others of you with the boat card, definitely this is a movement to another city, state, or a country that finally manifests for you during this time frame in the month of September, October. I do feel this happens for you. And during this time frame, a big lottery gain can also happen for September, October. That is some upgrade happening for you during this time frame, which is very good. And then we have the card of egg over here, wherein they say success assured with good plans and hard work. Exactly. So this is a period of success manifesting into your life. Something new that is birthing from you during this time frame. So beautiful month of September, October, again I feel are very evident for you. Now let's move on to the last quarter, and let's see your energy vibrations as you end the year 2022. The months of October, November, December, and your first card is of the Ten of Pentacles, which I did feel with the card of October popping in your reading. This is the highest card of financial abundance, bliss. Ten of Pentacles does also talk about the heredity money coming towards you, and in a work scenario, in a business scenario, this is a huge blessing. Windfall of gains coming during this time. You're going to enjoy with your friends and family members during this time frame. So this is a very blissful time frame, very strong. Best month of the year 2022, month of October, remember that. Moving on to your November, Six of Swords, that is even better. That is, you come moving towards calmer time. Some of you are traveling to another city, state, or a country during this time frame. There is a middle person that who comes in contact with you during this time frame, becomes evident in the months of October, November, December, who is of help, who is your soul family members, who helps in manifesting this, huge growth into your life. And we have the card of the Four of Pentacles as you end the year 2022 in the month of December, which tells me you're hugely abundant now. There's money on your head, there's money under your feet, there's money in your hand. So this is a huge shift that happened into your life in the year 2022. Trust me, dear friends, trust me, this is the end of your scarcity. Yes. So this is a rebirth happening for you. Happy times, a rebirth that is going to happen for you in the end, in the last quarter of year 2022. You're going to feel magnificent. You're going to feel abundant, glorious, healed finally during this time frame. So we have chair filled, someone new is entering your life. Yes, this person who is entering your life is going to bring a lot of abundance into your life. For some of you, this is a manifestation of marriage during this time frame, which upgrades you. If you have ever felt scarcity in your life, this is the time frame you could be doing some charity also, following the financial discipline. Keep a grip of things that are coming towards you, however flow it also towards other people who have scares. Caterpillar, there will things will not always be this way. A change is coming. So year 2022 moving into year 2023, major change and shift of your financial abundance, of your career, is going to happen from 2022 to 23 also. Fantabulous energies for you, my pile number 2. Enjoy yourself and come out of the scarcity mindset. Fantabulous things. Home manifesting for many of my friends during this time frame also. The third quarter, there could be a second home manifesting for some of my friends, or a move happening for you to another city, state, or a country. Fantabulous. Wishing you a lot of love and blessings for the year 2022 career. And if you could resonate, comment down below, dear friends. Come out of your sad mode and comment down below for year 2022. And we are also pursuing this line as a career. So the more encouragement you would give to someone is going to return to you also in your career line. So it's a flow. The more you encourage other people, the more it is going to come to you also. So give some support to us also. Like our channel, subscribe to our channel, share our content, and comment down below. I wish you a lot of luck and love and happiness during this year. May you come out of these sorrowful energies, lack mentality, and understand that you are the greatest manifester of your destiny. And yes, the karmic trench is out now. Wish you all the best, my dear friends. Lots of love and best wishes, my pile number 2. Enjoy yourself.